Hello, this is Sergio at Smart LED Inc. And today we're going to be showing you the Gen 6 1x2 panel service. So basically, this is how you're going to service all these panels. The Gen 6 series is basically they look just like this. They have a white background on the back of the panel. I've already removed the back cover. It has stainless steel screws that look like this, okay? And these stainless steel screws need to be removed off the back panel, and you set the back panel aside, you set the screws off to the side as well. Okay, they have a blue pigtail. When looking from the back, they have a blue pigtail on the left and a black pigtail on the right. The blue pigtail is the ring that you use for locking the connections. Okay, so now this is part of the repair kit series. So if you have one of these, you will have a repair kit, and the repair kit will include a set of pigtails looking like that. It'll have two. Okay, it'll have a card like this, which is called a hub card, with either this gold color I5 card or a similar card that's called a K5 card. Okay, and it'll have a power supply that'll look like this. Okay, so these are the things that you're going to have in the repair kit. Two pigtails connected together, and this card and this power supply unit, which is basically this. Okay, so now this is this assembly. This is the power supply, which changes the voltage from AC to low voltage, DC for the LEDs. So this part is this part, and then this part is the two cables that will be connected together. Okay, so now you may or may not have one of these. If you didn't pay for it or you didn't order it, your plastic bag kit may be missing one of these. Okay, so but this is the full repair kit if you ordered it from Smart LED. Okay, so now I want to show you the first step is if you're going to have to change the pigtails. You'll have to change the pigtail from the panel that came before, and you'll have to change the pigtail of this panel. That's why we ship two, because we don't know if the cable issue from the Cat5 cable is here on this panel or on the panel that went before it. So if this panel is working and this panel is turned off, then we don't know if it's this cable, the blue cable here, or the black cable of the panel that's working. So you have to change out both. That's why we ship two cables. In fact, I got a cable set right here. This is exactly how it looks like. That's why we ship both cables, okay? Because you have to change both of them. You have to change this one on the panel that's off, and you have to change this one on the panel that's on, because we don't know which one it is. Now, I have a Sharpie here to show you that when you remove the back panel, you'll turn this nut, okay, and you turn it down. So let me just go ahead and mark it. Okay, this nut, you turn it down. So I'm gonna put a down arrow there, okay? Turning this nut down will loosen it, okay? You may have to hold this one, and you have to loosen it obviously until it's completely loose.